Hello pals, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a plan on Facebook Messenger. So what this plan does is it sets up a plan or a particular event plan for you and the person you are actually setting up the plan with. So let me go ahead and open Facebook Messenger. Allow it to load. So once it finished loading, I'm going to go ahead and click on this first person. I'm going to set up a plan with the person. So now go ahead and click on this area, the first menu area just before the camera icon on the bottom left. Go ahead and click on it so that it's going to open some option. So next, you can notice on this record area, just move it, tap and move to the right, swipe to the right. Then you are going to see plans. So all you need to do is to click on these plans and it's going to pop opt in and show you the date. Firstly, you can select the day. You can select the day of the month. If it's April, you can go ahead and make it April, but let me leave it on March. And then if it's a different date, you can go ahead and select a different date for it. Then once you're done, you can select the time for it, whatever time you want it to be. So let me say it around, let me make it around 6:45. You guys know actually I upload most of my videos around 6:45. I was supposed to upload my videos 6:45 every day, but for some reason I do miss, and I'm not perfect. So I'm trying my best to actually be regular and be making more videos at that specific time because I like to upload video around 6:45. So 6:45 is the time. Go ahead and click on OK, and it's going to set up our plan. Once after setting up the plan, the next thing you should do is to change the name of the plan. So I save the plan as my video upload plan. So whatever name you want to give it, you can name it whatever you like, and you should always know that when you click on this time, you can notice we have one person going, which is actually me. So if Mr. Krikorian is also interested, it's going to be marked good, and if the person is interested, it can always tick on this one. When I select I can't go, you can notice the response at the top, it changes to one person can't go. So if I select I'm going, you can notice my image on the response area shows blue check mark, and then on top of the response area it says one person going. So if the person decide not to go, it's going to change to that's how it works. So this is actually a good thing. And again, the place this plan works best is actually on groups, because on group you get to see multiple people engaging and others. So let's go ahead and make a plan just the same way we did. Let me say the same day, let me change the date so that the people will not start. We're going to use the same date actually. So 6:45 p.m. Go ahead and click on OK, and the date is going to select it for us. The next thing, let's go ahead and change the name, and when you click on it, you are going to notice it shows different name, and then you cannot put the name save it. And the next thing, you can notice they have so many people in the group, so anyone that is actually going will actually click on it, and once the person clicks on it, you will notice the response will change to 2 people going. If I'm going to spend some time in this group, you will notice so many response coming in, but for some reason I have to end this video and I don't want to make it so long. So that is how to do it, and you always be getting your response from this top area. And again, for another reason, if you are setting this location, you can always set a location. That's if it's a physical event, maybe an event that is going to hold on a particular location. So you can always set this particular location and then go ahead and save it. So I can say Ikeja is a location in Nigeria. So if I set it to Ikeja, and save it. Anybody can always see it and see where the event is going on, but for this reason I'm not going to add any location, so I'm just going to back out, and that's it. We can always update our settings whenever we want, and it's pretty easy to create a location. And again, I am actually making this video for 5 minutes, which I actually didn't plan to. This video was supposed to last for 2 minutes, but because I went ahead showing you guys the group area, so hopefully this video helped you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have some question, and if for some reason you want to request for a video, please leave a comment below and I'll attend to it. So see you guys some other time, and always check my channel every day because I upload video every day. And don't miss out, it's actually 6:45 p.m. every day. See you guys.